Alright, after the last episode ended, you know I couldn't just leave it off on that because of this right here. Oh man, am I excited to get in this thing and wreak some havoc. Welcome back to another episode of Doom. This probably will be the last episode unless something cool again happens. But I just couldn't leave off the last episode like that and leave off the cliffhanger. We gotta give this giant mech a try.
Established.
Damn, look how large we are. Crazy. And you got beat up, dude. You have 1,000 health. And it's just like a giant exomech. Oh, we just killed all our friendlies. What the fuck? Alright, so I guess we have finishing moves. These are our enemies. Combos. Yep. Stomp will create a fissure that can falter groups of enemies. Okay. Damn. Now we got a big guy. He just keeps getting stunned. I mean, that's not like beautiful to do, man. Jesus, a sonic burst? That is crazy. You're telling me the demons got tanks now too? I can just run straight over them. Hell yeah. There we go. I don't know where that charge meter is, but it's crazy. Pretty sure these are our people, are they not? Or are they demons? If they're demons, good. If they're our guys, it's just kind of hilarious that we're destroying them. What the hell is this? Damn. Core malfunctioning, what the fuck? Trigger dash as an enemy is about to hit you. Trigger the perfect dodge. Okay. Damn.
The energy relay is under attack.
When the core explodes, the city goes with it.
And just keep fucking that motherfucker up. Oh shit. Damn it. Okay. I'm hitting the wrong buttons. Like an idiot. There, take the sonic punch. Never mind. There we go. Yeah, come on, hit me with it. I'll have to dodge enemy attacks. Wasn't paying attention. Too caught up in the badassness. There we go. There we go. Defend the barrier.
Barrier is shutting down. We can't stop it now.
Just love being able to crush everything like this. It's so awesome.
The reactor has sustained heavy damage.
What are you doing, big fella? You fucking rock your shit, son. Yeah, sit the fuck down. And you're telling me this dude lost? Damn, we got some big fuck here. This dude's like a mechanical demon. Yeah, and you're telling me our fucking robot lost. That's just sad. Anything over here? Any secret? No, just like a little shitty area. Damn, you're telling me we get gun upgrades on these motherfuckers too? Damn.
More Titans ahead. Support team. Deploy weaponry.
Hey, can we switch mechs?
Incoming.
Give me yours. Never mind, this looks fucking awesome. This looks like a giant fucking minigun. With 2 barrels. Hell fucking yeah it is. Oh shit. Oh. Supercharged. Damn, you're fucking eating that lead, son. Good lord. Now this is fucking awesome. Ultimate destruction right here. Yeah, what are you on about, man? Fucking, what are you gonna do? Riddle with bullets. And this thing, one of these bullets would completely annihilate a person. Like, absolutely blow them into their next life. Like, they would not survive. And these guys are taking like 100 of them to kill.
Dire, player is approaching the core.
The barrier is critical. Relay overloading.
We need to pull everyone back.
Hey, give me my gun back.
That core will explode. He needs to evacuate now.
Alright, well, looks like we have like a nuclear bomb in our hand or
He's trying
something.
to save the city. Slayer,
Dang, we don't
there's
have a
ship
minigun
line
anymore.
nearby. I'll mark it for you.
Damn. That should not have been a dodge, but it's alright. Sidestep, bitch. Hell fucking yeah. Dude, this game just makes you feel like a badass. I understand why people love this game. Fuck yes. The 1, 2, 3, and then the 4. Those are some super punches, man. Look at all these little like peasant ass things I don't even have to worry about. Let's see who's fucking stronger. Oh, he's still alive after that. Damn. Oh yeah, see ya, pal. Damn. You telling me the humans are losing against the damn demons?
Tracking the Slayer for evac now.
I don't understand when you have machines this powerful. Even if you only have a couple of them. Damn. And we're completely annihilating these motherfuckers. Alright, you're taking too long. You had your chance. Jesus. What the hell's going on? Oh, it's turned into its bomb form. We gotta run. Oh shit. Of course we'd have a boss. Dude, what do you think you're gonna do to me? Okay, maybe we can do something. Oh! Back it on up, son. Not today. Alright, take this punch. Oh, of course he'd have to fucking block with that stupid shield. Yeah, there we go. His armor's fucking broke. Give him a fucking beat down. Oh my god. 2 times in a row. Are you shitting me? There we go. Now he's staggered. Now he's gonna fucking take this punch like a good boy. He's still not dead? Make him eat the bomb. Fuck yeah. Wait, what? Oh, he did make me eat it. See ya! God damn. Hell yeah. Can we get out of there like that? Jesus, that's a large bomb. Oh, it's like pretty much a nuke.
The transdimensional barrier is offline. Demonic activity is surging. The Creed has requested an immediate report.
Return to the Sentinel barracks.
I did as you asked. Now please, let her soul be at peace.
And the heart of Argent.
Is sealed in a chamber. I told you, I cannot open it. No one can.
A distress signal was sent. We've tried contacting them. No response.
I sealed it from him, but it is an artifact of immense power. Forgive me.
They're inside!
The Heart of Argent, discovered in AR-722. An artifact said to contain the soul of the last Wraith. Powers and origin unknown.
Assemble the guard.
Demons in the north wing.
Now see, I think it was definitely worth, oh shit, definitely worth coming back and playing another one just for that last mission. I'm gonna play through this mission too and see what happens. I almost shot those guys. I want to see, can I? I can shoot them, but they don't die. Even though they should. Oh, running away because they know I'm coming. Oh no. Ooh, another weapon. Gold Crusher Pulverizer. What the fuck? And we keep all our other guns. And we just get this added. This is... oh fuck yes. It's just like a better version of a shotgun. I mean, it just shreds everything. That's called the shredder. Jesus. Stand back here and just hit the whole room. And there's my 40 demon kills on here. Damn, I'm getting my ass kicked right now. Shit, wrong button. I don't remember what fucking button it is still. Damn. It's right here. I remember. There we go. There we go. It took me a second to get back into the little person form. I was used to the big mech from the last one. Didn't take long for me to get used to it, but we did. We can pick up all this damn ammo and health. So I went through a lot right there. This thing just uses freaking demon skulls as the ammo for it, which is fucking awesome. Damn, I didn't even realize he was an armored fuck. Come on, fucking eat that now. There we go. Dude was fucking me off. Those guys just disappeared. Damn, look at that motherfucker. Oh, we gotta take a look around the outside. That dude is fucking huge. How did they defeat that dude? I mean, my lord. Like, our fucking mechs are like the size of his one rib bone. Ain't no way, bro. Is that the way to go? Or is this the way to go? Let me check down here. There's some gold down here, so.
Vault energy.
Well, I walked into that one like an idiot. Damn. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Chill, fuckers. Two, three. There we go. Get the combo off finally. Damn, let's go up here and fucking get this armor. I wanted to fucking explore around a little bit. See if there's any more armor or anything, but no. Fucking put me straight into the arena when I didn't even grab the heals. Alright, let's go, fuckers. They are sending all of these fucks at me. Burn, fucker. Yeah. You guys give it a chill? For fuck's sakes. That was ridiculous. They just keep surviving if you don't hit the fucking E on them. The finisher. Like, that is ridiculous. Here we go. Or there's a drop every time. Oh, I see the fucking Danny Phantom over there. Let's go take care of him. There we go. Picked up all the little fucking. Damn, really? I know I'm on low health. Get me up here, Jesus. Alright, we need to switch to something else. There we go. Let's go. Oh shit. Run. Armor over here. Clean them all out. There we go. There's Fatty now. Oh, he's wearing metal armor. How's that not filled up, bro? Looks molten to me. Yeah, take this face, fat ass. There we go. Light him up. Well, looks like if you just kill the fucking big bad bosses, they take all the little fuckers out with them. Ooh. That's the other mech that we seen, the fucking King mech. Hopefully he lets us use it.
You're almost outside. There's a path through the tombs nearby.
Fuckers were really here again and didn't step in to help me at all. Oh, here's a shrine. Oh wait, no, I thought it was one of those upgrade shrines. Oh, so this is just the upgrade version of the machine gun, except it's like the sniper rifle version. Oh, motherfucker. Where did you come from, you bitch? Supposedly, let's see. Oh, it does one tap them. Finally, again, that one taps you retards. What the fuck? Guess it didn't one tap. Oh, there we go. There's a big boy. Oh, I thought it was the big boy. Really, we're fucking sending these guys out at us. Alright, then this thing puts in the work. Might have a slow rate of fire, but damn. Look at that, it's like 3 shots on these fuckers. Yeah, see, I'm pretty sure I already hit that dude before. 1, 2, move out of the way, I'm trying to hit that guy. Yeah, 3 shots, dude. And they just die after 4 shots or 6 shots. That's pretty nice. And we can just switch it to the machine gun like that. That's pretty nice. But they do use the same ammo, which is unfortunate. Alright, we got a couple upgrades here. We got the accelerator, which just shoots faster the longer you're shooting. And then we got the combat shotgun upgrades. We got smelt and tune up. We can switch them at any time, but those are the two that I think will help us out the most. And we were able to get 3 upgrades there, which is the most amount of upgrades I've been able to get. But that's also super nice. What the hell is that, dude? Damn, this is the one downside to the triple shotgun, I guess. And we have to cross that? Okay. I was about to say, if we have to jump and throw that shit, that's crazy. Yo, come on, let me pick that. There we go. Hit him with that. Triple shot. Punch. Damn. Shield. This is what I was wanting that fucking shotgun for. Hell fucking yeah, dude. Now we can just annihilate the baddies. Oh man, I got myself into trouble here. Shit. There we go. Now if we hit him with 3 more of these. 1, 2, 3, punch. Oh shit, they're surrounding me. Now we got the shotgun back. Let's go take care of this dude. Just gotta get a shield throw in there. Oh, look at that shit. Now we just need the combat shotgun to get like a hell of a lot more ammo. Oh, look at here. Gold. I go where the trail of gold goes. Oh wait, were we supposed to actually go this way? Oh, it was a secret area. What the fuck? I'm at the max relock things and I can have. So confused. Am I supposed to go that way? So that's like really far that way. Oh, what? There's another dude over there? I guess you want some more, man? Come on now. I didn't know if that. Chill out, man. There, now it should be on fire. There we go. Come on. And we're just gonna shoot you in the face. Is this fat motherfucker gonna go down? No, I'm gonna fucking die before he goes down. Let's get the fuck out of here. Holy shit. That was unbelievable, dude. That dude, like, took everything I had. Everything that I had. That was insane. Dude. It's one of those idiots. Get out of here. Alright, let's go fucking try and take his ass out now. Are you ready to die yet? Holy shit. That was insane. Okay, well it makes sense why he was kind of a little stronger now. But that was insane, dude. Let's check the ammo I got on everything. Not a lot. It needs the pulverizer because I have max ammo with it. Damn, what was that? Chill out. Yeah, see you, Danny Phantom. Trying to be a damn ghost over here. What is this stupid shit? Did that shield help you out there, didn't it, pal? Alrighty, here we go. Gonna be some weird ass boss. Some spider mech demon fuck. I mean, like, what the fuck is that? You ain't no damn demon. Baggery the champion. Okay, so we pretty much just have to stun him a bunch by parrying like that. I guess shooting works too. This is a weird ass boss, dude. Oh, get out of my face, man. Come on. There we go. Shit. He hits like a fucking truck. Come on. Stun him now. That should stun him. And now we can just fucking light his ass up. Okay, I don't know what that fucking was. What the hell is that, dude? Get the fucking health before he hits us. These ones aren't easy, or aren't hard to fucking dodge. Oh shit, I'm standing in like poison. Get me out of here. Holy shit, I didn't realize that's what's going on there. Need to heal up. Keep moving. Here we go. I'm thinking the back side of him is where his exposed flesh is supposed to be. And there's this stupid spit again. Yes, that's definitely what it is. I'm gonna get to his behind. There we go. We'll get his ass up right there. Quite literally. Yep. Let's stay out of that damn poison. Shit fucking kills. We're gonna run over here and grab this stuff while we can. Oh, it looks like this shit's coming back. There we go. Gotta hit those every time we can. Damage. Hit. Hit. Oh, what the fuck? You didn't get stunned out there? Oh, he's down. There we go. What up, motherfucker? Swatch like the bug you were.
Aviary unlocked. Clear the Slayer's launch pad.
Alrighty guys, and on that note, I think we will end this video off here. Yeah, there doesn't seem like there might be too much. I mean, we might unlock some more weapons and stuff, but I mainly just wanted to do it for that giant mech because I thought that was pretty cool and it was pretty badass to get inside of that. So if you guys do want to see more, we can finish the game because I think this was chapter 4 or 5, and there are 22 chapters, so there's still plenty of game to go around. So if you guys want to see that and see more, then just leave a like and let me know. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.